Good morning, colleagues. Today we are going to learn how to make multiple choice questions in our EduMath. So first, you make a folder for our assessment so you will not be confused of where to find your files. So we open our documents and then make folder or new folder here. And I have made my demo encoding multiple choice here. Mine is evaluation online test July 6. So let us open your folder, and inside your folder make another folder for each subject that you are teaching. For example, you are teaching history, then make a folder for history, for mathematics. Now I'll choose mathematics. This is my math 9. So for math 9, um, we are assuming that you have made your exams already in Word. So this one is Math 9 Document X. Now we will save this one as text file in Notepad. And how do we do that? Let us open this one. So this one is used, this one is the format, because we are going to print this one and submit this one to the office. So if some students want the worksheet or the copy of the exams, they may get it in our school. So here we are here in our document. We will save that one as save as, and then save that one also in your folder, the same as your document folder, but this time choose the text file, plain text. Can you see this one? Plain text. So you click that one and you will see the plain text, .txt, and then your math 9 or your history is point text. Then you save that one. You will see this one Windows default. Because we are using Windows, we just save it. Okay, click OK, then we're done. And after that one, we close this one. We are through with our Word document. Close it. After closing it, you will see that you have your Math 9 TXT. So let us open that one. You just double click and Notepad will open it for you. Now in Notepad, we need to remove everything here. So we click here and then backspace only, backspace, and remove everything above that number 1. You still have one extra space there, press delete, and we have that one there. Now we will format this one so we can use this one in our EduMath for multiple choice. As you can see, we have A, B, C, but we are going to remove this one. So how do we remove this one? So I'm going to zoom in here so you will see. Okay, here, backspace. Okay, that's a backspace. Now for this one, everything. Okay. Now you do this one for all of your questions 1 to 30. Okay, let's zoom in again so we can see the numbers better. So we'll do this one for number 2 also, for letter A. And you do this one up to number 30. After removing the numbers and the A, B, C, D, so we are going to save this one. Okay, we are going to save this one again by 5. Okay, you have removed already up to, we are assuming that you have removed already the numbers and the ABCD, and you have one extra space. You see this one extra space only after the last choice. So we are going to save this one by part. So we're going to open File, open a new window here. So we have a new window here. Okay, so we have a new window. This one is the original. Oops. So we are going to copy. How do we copy? We select this one, number one. Just remember that this one is your number one. Or if you are confused, you just remove the number one and ABCD here when you have cut this one by into 5. Okay, I'm going to select this one up to number 5 only. All right, stop there. Okay, stop here, then Control C. After the Control C, transfer your pointer here, tap, and then Control V. So you have this copy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you haven't done editing this one, you may edit here by 5. So you can still see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to copy, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's easy. You can see the numbers and then you edit here. It's the same. Because if you will remove here the numbers, you just remember where you stopped copying. Okay. Then you save this one. File, save as, find your folder, your documents, and then that folder there, and then math here, and name that one as part 1. Okay, part 1. So save, and you have that part 1 there, and then close that one and return to your original windows. And then you can see, as you can see, I have number 6 here. I'm going to copy up to number 10. Where's number 10? Here. Okay, now I'm going to press Control C. Okay, I haven't opened yet another window, so we have a new window here. So I'm going to paste here, Control V. So I have there. By the way, class, you just press Enter here. You have the cursor here. Before you save, you press Enter. Okay, so you have the Enter there, and then you save. I forgot that one in our first part. So you save this one, File, Save As. Now you are here. Okay, change the name, Part 2, and then save. Okay, I'll close this one and do that one for number 11 to 15, 16 to 20. So you have 6, part 6. If you have 30, then you have up to part 6. Okay, so now this time after this one, teachers, we are going to encode that one now. Ready for encoding. Okay, so teachers, let us encode now. So open your file, or you are still in your folder. So let us open part 1 text. And as you can see, we have this one, and we have already removed the numbers and then the ABCDs here. So we start our encoding. Now, how do we encode? Now let us zoom in. Okay, this is your question here. And let's start here. You place your cursor here. So it's there. And then the first thing that you will do in the first letter A is to put the curly bracket. So you press Shift. In my laptop, it's Shift, and then find the curly bracket, the open curly bracket, that thing. Can you see that one? Okay. Always start with that one. For every number, you start here with the curly bracket. You start here with the curly bracket. Now your cursor is there. You press the tilde, shift, and then 1. I mean, that one is not. Oh, with the left one, shift, that one, the thing, the tilde, a cryptic symbol. That's a tilde. So first is this one, curly bracket, open curly bracket, and then the tilde, and then the percent symbol. So shift, number 5. Okay, that is the percent symbol. Now, if this is your answer, 7/4, then type 100 after that percent symbol and then another percent. But if this is not your answer, then you type 0. Okay, it's better if you start with 0 here, so we can just copy the 0 and not the 100 later on. So let us pretend that this one is not our answer. Okay, so I'm going to put the 0, not the O. Do not be confused with the O and the 0. So this is the 0. It means that it is not the answer. This one is not the answer. Then I'm going to press again Shift 5, the percent. So you can see here in the coding, this one, and tilde, percent, 0 or 100 if that is the correct answer, and then the percent again. Now I'm going to copy this percent up to the tilde only. So I can just paste it by pressing the Ctrl V. So from here, I'm going to select it up to the tilde. Do not select the open curly bracket. And then, see it? You see it? Okay, you press Ctrl C, as in we are copying it. Okay, next, you place your cursor here. How can we cannot put any more the cursor here? All right. Okay, there. After placing your cursor there, you press Ctrl V. Okay, if this is not your answer, then it is 0. But if this is your answer, then you place your cursor here after the percent and before the 0, and you just type 10. 1, 0. So it becomes 100. You don't need to erase the 0 anymore. You just 1, 0. And then here, you placed here your cursor and Control V. So you just pasting it. So there's a tilde, percent, 0%. This is not your correct answer. Then you place here Control V again. Oh my gosh, why is it there? Okay. All right, I'll press Control V. So it's there. Now, at the end of this choices here, you must put the closed curly bracket. So shift and put there. Don't forget this curly bracket here. The closed curly bracket here. Okay. And that opening there. Then after that one, proceed to number 2. You place your cursor here, but do not press Ctrl V yet because you don't have yet your open curly bracket. So you must always put the curly bracket there. Don't forget that one. And then you may now press again the Ctrl V to paste that one. Now, if this one is your answer, this 1/3 is your answer here, place your cursor here and then type 10. 1, 0. So you have 100 there. Now, these 3 are not the correct answers. So you just paste the for the incorrect one. So you have Control V, you see it's 0, so it is not the answer, this one. And then you place here the cursor and then Control V, and here you press Control V, okay, and don't forget at the end you have to put your close curly bracket. You do this one up to the end or by 5 because this one is 5 only. Okay, so why not, I'll put another one here so we'll see when we import this one, you can see if it is correct or not. Okay, that's Control V, and it's Control V if that is my answer there. So I'm going to put here my cursor and then 0, 100. Here also Control V, and here Control V, and at the end we have Shift, closed it. Alright, last we have oh no, not yet Control V, it's Shift, this one, don't forget, you see I'm confused. Control V to paste that one, it's not my answer. And then Control V here, it's not my answer. Okay, Control V again, it's not my answer. Okay, last Control V, and this is my answer, so don't forget to put it to 100. And then here, don't forget to close it by a curly bracket. Okay, so we are going to save that. Control, okay, zoom, okay, now let us save that one. Are we through? Oh, we still have that one. Okay. Okay, I'll just put another one here. So control this and then control V, control V, control V, but I'm going to make this one as 100. Oh no. 10, and for 2/3, control V, bracket, oh, shift this one and that one. Put the cursor here. File, save as, the same as part text. Click part 1 text and save. Already exists? Yes. Okay, we're done encoding our part 1, part 2, part 3. You do that one up to part. But after finishing that one, you will put that one in our question bank. Okay, let's start now our importing questions to our Edomat. So I am inside now in our portal. So let us open your subject. I'm going to open grade 12. So start here. We have, okay, let's add that one in our question bank. We have here the question bank. And before we put that one in our question bank, I just turn this one, editing one. Okay, where is that one? We proceed first to our categories. So in our categories here, you just don't put anything in one categories there. So you have here the default. So we are going to have to add a category here. We just don't put everything here. So just call this one assessment. Okay, assessment. Okay, so we add the category here. And then you can see that, where's that one? Assessment. So we click this assessment. Let's see. So make sure that you are in your correct category. So I am in the assessment category. If not, you just choose here. So I have here this one, but I'm choose the assessment. And after choosing assessment, you just click the import here, or you may click the import here. But I'm going to click the import here. Okay, import, and here you click there the gift format, the gift. Okay, then go down. Then you have to drag. It's better to drag the file here. So find it in your uh, Explorer or Windows File Explorer here, and you have here. That's part one text. So all you need to do is, if this one is full screen, you just reduce that one into small screen only. Okay, click, drag, put it there. So you have there part one point text, and then click import. And if you don't have any error, you will see this one, parsing questions from import file, importing 5 questions from file, and you will not see anything error here. Any error here, you have to repeat again. Okay, you just click continue and just wait, and it will be there. Okay, in the assessment, you can see that there are 5 questions there. So here you have the 5. All right, how do we add that one? Now we are going to add. We don't have yet the form for that. So we have grade 12. You can start here again, grade 12. Anyway, this the editing is on already. And then where is our activity now? Pure math. Okay, we are going to add an activity or resource here. Okay, click. It's still loading. Oh yeah, it's there. Oh my gosh, so slow. Oh, it's still spinning there. Okay, ready? Okay, oh, it's a hand already. Nice. Okay, we click it, and we proceed to quiz, and then we add. Oh, it's there already. So you assessment, for example, you have math assessment. Okay, so timing here. It's better if you have July, for example. Mine is July 9. I'm going to click the enable here. I put the 9. It's July 9. Okay, July 9. And put that one 8 o'clock if you want 8 o'clock to start at 8 o'clock here, and exactly 8 o'clock 00 here. Enable this one and close the quiz July 9 also if you want it to be a day for them to do the exam, and then set this one to maybe 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock is 18. You can put that one as 18:00. So they have one day to finish that quiz. And then time limit, how many hours do you want? Do you want 1 hour? Enable this one. So for 1 hour, type 60. That's for 1 hour. Okay. And then grade. No. Attempts. How many attempts do you want for them to do? 1 or 2 or 3? It's up to you. Layout. Okay. In your layout, put new page because that is, make it 5. 5 is enough for one page. Every 5 questions here, and then save and display. Okay, it says here that this quiz will be available on July 9. This quiz time limit 1 hour. No questions have been added yet. We are going to get it from the question bank. So we have edit quiz. Now here you're going to add. Can you see this one? Add. add a new question. No, it's from question bank. So you click this one and find your imported questions. Okay, here, all right, it's not this one. Why? Oh, this one is default for grade 12. I'll have to find my math assessment. Where is assessment 5? Oh, you can see there are 5 questions. All right, I'm going to click this one. So I will see now my questions here. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To select them all, just put there. Click, and then you have selected them all. Then add selected questions to the quiz. Click. Okay, now you're here. How many points is one? If you want to change this one, 2 points each, just click here and change that one into 2, 2, 2, 2. So you have 10 points, total marks. But this one, you have only 1, 1, 1, 1, and you will see there are only 5 points here. So you must change this one into 5 also. If that is 5 points, you change that one into 5 because this one is 5 points only. Now, if you want this one to be 2 points each, now you click this one and then you just click 2 and then here. Oh, all right. Click that one again, 2 and then enter. Okay, let's do. Click here, 2, enter. You must press the enter. 2 here also. Okay. 1, 2 points for each here, enter. So you don't forget to press the enter. And 2, and then enter. And you will see there, the total of marks is 10. So you have to change this one into 10 also. 10, okay? They must be equal, this one and that one. And then you save. Okay, it's saved now. Then you go to your dashboard again. And where is that one? So you have this one. Where is let's turn the editing off. Oh, it's off now. We can preview now our questions. Where is our test assessment? Okay, there. Oh my gosh. Math assessment now. And then let us preview our quiz now. Start attempt. Anyway, you are the teacher. Okay, now here. Okay, select one or more. Okay, number 2. Okay, 21 by 3. What is it? By 7, it's 3. Okay, and 3/4 in equivalent fractions. 5, 18, 7, no, 15 over 12. 15, 18, whatever. Okay, 5, 6 equivalent fractions. So we have equivalent fractions here, 5, 6. Okay, let's have, okay. And then this one. And then you have, if you have 30, then you'll see here another 5 next, continue. And here, we will see the result. All right, here. So we have answer saved here. So start a new preview if you want. Answer saved here. Return to attempt. You have 1 hour to do the attempt here. Submit and all finish. Okay, it's finished already. Okay, submit. Tell them to submit also. And then you have there that one. Started on, finished. And grade 0 out of 10. Oh my G. 0. It's wrong. The correct answer is 3/4. You have answered there. Oh my G. Okay, that's all for our lesson about making multiple choice questions and putting that one in our question bank. Thank you, colleagues, for listening.